UNICA has been designed to be capable of serving almost any type of market. When we started thinking about UNICA, most important consideration to provide consistent experience for the users. I believe it's a major customer benefit. Instead of running 2 or 3 different systems, you can always apply the knowledge you have with UNICA for building a large system with mixture of different type of products.
What we wanted to do is to build a platform that is a bit different respect to a product. A platform means that you have the chance to rely on the same design, interfaces, mechanical construction, processing from models that are, let's say, small power to very high power models. And this range of products, of course, hardware somehow different, but from the user point of view, behaves the same.
The border between what was called fixed installed and what was called live production portable, depending on who you speak to, is becoming more and more blurred. There are many fixed installations where one of the requirements in the design is to make sure that the audio system you are installing will be able to match whatever event that will be organized in that venue. So UNICA in some way is responding to this trend. The first word that you can imagine when you speak UNICA is unique. The reality is that in Italian UNICA means also single, and this is where I believe Powersoft is responding to this trend, trying to put together a platform that can respond to multiple applications in different markets.
This time, UNICA, we are really working with R&D product management together, interviewing many customers, understanding what their requirement for future generation amplifier, mostly focusing on the gap which our customers are dealing with today. And our R&D has many amazing new technologies. So actually we work together to connect requirement and technology to make technology valuable for the customers.
There are so many advanced technologies with respect to previous generation that makes a real step forward from many point of view. Sonic-wise, it's a big leap. And of course, this is one piece of the story, but what has been done extensively is to increase the efficiency, to reduce the consumptions of the device in a way that as much as possible energy efficient for consumption of a longer lifetime installation. So a big amount of work has been done on optimizing the cooling method in a way that it's even more efficient than before, but produce less noise of airflow. I think processing is one big portion of the product. The thermal architecture is quite different also in terms of previous products, so we split the processing with a hardware power management. So we have also more resources inside to handle these things separately to make a real platform in a way that can be easily migrated from different product and power ratings in the same family. This new platform will enable a lot of cloud-based functions from basic surveillance up to very extensive servicing and preventive maintenance function that allows the installation to be surveilled locally, but can be also monitored on dashboards that allows you to see how the system is performing, if there are issues, and if will be suggested one day to do some action on the device.
Clearly, for a system integrator, they can easily build or monitor or offer to their client services that maybe today they are not offering or they are offering but with very limited functionality. In this way, they save time in implementing the service. They open up more features on these services and probably they spend also less time to configure the system and to make sure that the system is fitting the specific application.